Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Raka Maulana Zulkarnain. My name 19240364. My class 19 2B14. I'm here will present about the computer. Introduction. The computer are the most revolutionary technological discovery in human history. Along with the development of the time, the computer have become a inseparable part of every life, both in education, business, government, and entertainment. This device has the ability to process data quickly and accurately, so that I can help human complete various tasks more efficiently. Initially, computer was created only to perform simple mathematical calculation, but now their function has developed rapidly into a versatile tool capable of running various complex applications and programs. The rapid development of computer encourages the need for a deep understanding of the meaning, history, type, and benefit of using computer in modern life. Understanding of the computer. Understanding computer and computer component. Etymological, the word computer comes from Latin, namely computere, which means calculate. So, in simple terms, and the definition of a computer is a tool used calculation arithmetic. Definition of computer according to expert. Number one is William M. Fury. According to William M. Forey, the definition of a computer is a data processing tool that formulates for fast calculation, including arithmetic and logic calculation. And this calculation do not involve human intervention. Number two is Donald H. Sander. According to Sander, the definition of computer is an electric system used to manipulate data quickly and accurately, designed of organized so that I can automatically receive and store data, process data, the product, or based on command that have been stored in memory. Next, in general, a computer consists of three main elements, including number one is hardware. In a hardware device consists of processor, RAM, hard disk, motherboard, and the CPU. Number two, software is the operating system and also various applications are entered into the hardware and work according to commands from the user. Number three, computer brainware are user of computer operation of the huge computer. Input component. This component is a hardware component that has a function of a hash command give to various tasks and will be give to the computer. Some of these input component include number one is keyboard, provide input from the alphanumeric and the other HCCI interpretation. Number one is mouse and trackpad. Tool has connect brainware to the monitor screen. Number two is for touchscreen. Its function is similar to a mouse, but its shape is like a pen. Number three is a tool scanner, a tool for scanning image that will be entered into computer system. Microphone, a tool for input data in from audio. Process component. This component has a function of the process data or process human command given by brainware, which are then displayed on the output component. Some process components include processor, which the main component in the data processing. Motherboard, which a component what connect various other component in a computer. Hard disk, which is a component for storing permanent data in a computer, such as a computer operating system. Next, RAM, which memory for storing various computer activity temporary. The output component. This is a component that has the function of displaying information from commands that have been processed by the computer. Some output component include number one is monitor, a computer component that can display the process being worked and by a computer. Number two, printer, a component that can find information into hard copy form. Number three is speaker, a component that the product out in the form of audio or sound. Nah, the conclusion that the discussion about the definition of a computer element, computer component. Hopefully, with this article can help you know more deeply about computer. Thus, the article about definition of computer and computer component hopefully useful. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Raka Maulana Zulkarnain. My name 19240364. My class 19 2B 14. Here a presentation about malicious software. What is malware? Malware is a sort of malicious software, meaning a program that is specially designed to infiltrate a system without the owner knowledge and stay there for a period of the time. Typically, malware masquerades as a harmless program to trick users. The impact of the malicious software is much more serious for company than than for individual user. A malware attack on a company network system can cause extensive damage and disruption, requiring major recovery effort across to organize. Malware can enter a computer through email, internet download, and previously infect program. The majority of computer crime that occur frequently involve stealing the personal information or create a backdoor into a computer, allow the perpetrator to gain unauthorized access to the computer. Software that facilitates this action without the owner consent can be considered malware. In addition to being referred to as malware, this malicious software is also known by other names such as badware, and in legal document is that is often referred to as computer contamination. So when you see the term is just another way referring to same or of the threat. Type of malware. In today's digital age, various types of the malicious software are circulating, presenting increasingly complex challenge. It's important to be vigilant about the type of malware that are constantly evolving. Studies show that the Trojan and the worm are the most common type of malware today. While viruses are decreasing in number, not only that, malware is also starting to target mobile devices such as smartphones and tablets. In fact, there are the cases where malware is pre-installed on device. But what exactly are the type of malware and are the classified? Let's discuss some of them. Virus. Viruses in software have been a creed for a long time. John von Neumann was the pioneer who began academic research of the theory of self-replication on computer program in 1949. Sign of the 70s, the first example of virus or can or what can be classified a virus have been detected. The main characteristic of the program to be considered a virus is its ability to replicate the from when it this means that a virus will spread the wide distribution copies of the own program through various means. Another characteristic is their ability to hide with other systems difficult to detect without the special security programs such as the antivirus. Virus essentially come in divided, hiding within a system and usually work without leaving any obvious trace. They are usually hidden with computer files, and in order to do their job, the computer must execute the file, which is either run the virus code. Basically, a virus is an infectious code of program that attacks itself to another software, often requiring human interaction of the spread truther. Those viruses are classified based on whether there are content is binary executed data files or in the view sector of a particular system hard drive. Trojan. Trojan are a type of malware that is disturbing disgust of the use program from computer. They're spread by the disguising themselves up as dictionary looking software, luring users to install them on their fish. The term Trojan itself comes from the legendary story of the wooden horse in the Greek mythology, which was used to secretly attack the city of Troy. Trojan is the computer world operating in a similar way, attack system without being detected. Typically, the Trojan payload can be a backdoor that gives attack unauthorized access to the attack computer. This allows cybercriminals to take control and access personal information such as IP address, password, and bank account details of the computer owner. The presence of Trojan is serious threat to digital security, as it can cause significant damage on the financial loss the unsuspecting victim. Therefore, users need to pay attention to be sign of Trojan infection and take the necessary precaution to protect their personal data and system. Worm is the type of malware that spreads quickly and inadvertently. Unlike virus forms do not need to insert themselves of exciting file to spread. A standalone program won't replicate within the computer without targeting specially file. They then of the target operation system file and can use a computer hard drive to become empty. The main difference between RAM and the virus is how to the work. Virus in themselves to exciting file, while from simple enter a computer and spreadsheet from the another to another. Worm typically spread through email and instant messaging, exploiting the computer network to reach their target. They limit their activity to what they can accomplish within the application that aid their movement, while some worms are designed to spread only without charging and the system and the fast stroke. Their effect can be described by increased network traffic. The example of worms that have been known include Melissa, Morris, Mindum, Caesar, Blaster, and Meat. With their ability to spread quickly, worms are one type of malware that need to be watched out for because of the potential of major disruption to computer system and network. Danger of malware attack. The malware is a rampant digital weapon not only infect website and device, but also cause a number of negative impact. They are worth nothing. Here are some of the negative effect of malware attack that need to be watched out for. Featuring engineering. Changing website a friend malware can be a friend of a website, or what is commonly called defense. This can lower the reputation of the website because it's a file with irrelevant content, prompting a site to leave it. Displaying infrared ads. If you find that your web browser displays storage and at the search engine suddenly change, is it likely that your computer has been infected by malware? Scan with an antivirus to detect that and it clean your computer. Different between anti malware and antivirus. Initially, by the antivirus we used to first to in anti-malware software in the 90s. Its main focus was a certainly type of malware, such as worm as old version of Trojan. However, however, with the development of the internet, we need for protection become more urgently. Prevent malware threats. Malware threats are become more sophisticated and require more careful prevention measures. Here are some steps you can take to protect yourself from malware attack and address potential threats. Use antivirus or anti-malware software. Install an active antivirus or anti-malware software on your system. Make sure you to perform regular from scan and enable the fire function. Avoid click random link. Do not click on random link or email attachment. Be sure to content before click on it, especially if it comes from source. By following steps. this step, you can improve your system security and reduce the risk of malware attack. Stay alert, and protect yourself from evolving digital threat. Thank you. Terima kasih. Apabila ada kesalahan kata, mohon dimaklumi. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.